good morning people, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's almost afternoon, so sorry. Good afternoon everyone. I am now going to get my entire hair colored and it's going to be like a makeover for me. So come along with me. Where am I going? How am I getting done? What am I doing? Stay tuned and watch the entire thing with me. I also wanted to wish one of my students a very happy birthday. Basically belated happy birthday to Avantika. I just got to know that it was her birthday, so I thought of like wishing her. So belated happy birthday Avantika, and I hope this year is a great year for you. So I wanted a completely different look altogether. So I decided to color my hair and change the base color with baby highlights. The global hair color was done and I had to wait for like 1.5 hours so that the color completely changes. They've applied the entire color to me and now I have to wait till my hair gets washed. Let's see how the look looks like. While waiting, I thought of like showing the entire salon to you. This is how the salon looks like. It specializes for hair and hair color and as well as for face treatments. A really good place where you can have a good makeover done for yourself. I was done with my global hair color and I was really happy with it. And now it was time for baby highlights. So they started applying baby highlight cream and left my hair again for like 1.5 hours.
No more worship. You already take it. दुश्मनी कहाँ जाता है?
And I was finally done with my hair color, global hair color with baby highlights. And this is how they were like, setting my hair to show how the final look looks like. So my coloring is done for the hair and आपने picture में देखा होगा कि मेरा hair कितना अच्छा लग रहा है. Basically I went to Bridget Jones and she is the best here. So I went to the best to get the best look for myself for the best days of my life, which is going to come ahead in the next week. So yeah, I got it colored and I'm very happy with my hair color and the entire look. Even you'll get to see a lot when my upcoming videos will be coming up. So yeah, so if you also want to get your hair colored or you want any sort of a treatment, then you should come to her. Now returned home and this is how my look is looking like. ये रहा मेरा पूरा color. Here's the color. I've got my hair colored for the first time. And ऐसा नहीं है कि that I went there today and मैंने अपना color करा दिया. नहीं, I went yesterday with my mom and as well as my sister. I showed my hair. उन्होंने मेरा skin color के हिसाब से they actually check every detail. You know how is the face shape, how is the hair quality, hair का length, and उसके हिसाब से they then decide that what is the color that will suit me, what is the occasion and skin tone. Very important, skin tone. ये सब के हिसाब से they decided the color. And at the same time my bua also, like, you know, she kept on calling and coordinating with me that what is the color which is getting applied. So this is like the first time I've got my hair colored, and they've not used any sort of a bleach in my color. My hair was totally black virgin, and they've tried this look on my face, and it's turned out to be like really good. I'm very happy with the look, and it's a very classy and an elegant look. Let me know in the comment section if you also liked my look. I'm going to end my vlog here, and I had like a very good hair day today. I went there around 12:30, 12:45 in the afternoon and I got over by like 6:15 in the evening, returned home by 6:30, and I just had my lunch बिकॉज मैंने वहाँ कुछ नहीं खाया. मैं कुकीज़ एंड कैश्यूज़ ये सब लेके गई थी, तो वहाँ पे मैंने सिर्फ इतना ही खाया और कुछ नहीं खा पाई बिकॉज द एंटायर डे आई वॉज लाइक ऑक्यूपाइड विथ माई हेयर. they've done like a pretty good job, and ऐसा नहीं है that, you know, just 1 hour करके or maybe 2 hours करके they just left me or something like that. No, they took about not approximately, I would say exactly 6 hours to work on my hair and to get this look done. They are really good at it, and trust me, even you will have a very good experience if you visit there once. I'm repeating it once more. I got my hair done from the Bridget Jones salon, which is like at Garcha Road. And do get a visit done, and you know, you can actually work on your hair, and it will actually give you like a really good look and a really good makeover. Like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you back again very soon with a fresh new vlog. Do comment down below if actually you've liked seeing this kind of a video, so I will try shooting as many videos of such kinds as possible and keep you all entertained. Bye bye.